What is comfrey tea and what can it do for you in the garden? If you are looking to add a natural, nutrient-rich fertilizer to your garden, you can make your own comfrey tea at home. It's a very easy process, and then you can fertilize your plants with the comfrey tea. It's natural, it's so good for the plants, and you're gonna love how easy it is. So comfrey tea is really good for fruiting and flowering plants because of its high potassium content. It also adds trace minerals to your garden which are not found in commercial fertilizers. The thing I like about making comfrey tea is that it's very affordable and sustainable. All you really need is your plant, which will grow back year after year, and a bucket. It's a very easy and sustainable way to add those nutrients to your garden. It has these nice big leaves on it, and it will flower with purple flowers at the top. We are going to go ahead and make the tea before it flowers with the leaves from the plant. So you need your comfrey leaves and you need a bucket. We're going to use a 5-gallon bucket that has a lid, and we're actually going to fill the comfrey leaves up to the 1-gallon mark, which is about right there, and then we're going to add 5 parts water. Now you can take them in and chop them up, but I'm just going to go ahead and break them up and wrap them around in the bucket. So they're kind of bending and breaking as I stack them in there. And remember, we're going to do 1 part comfrey leaves to 5 parts water. I'm really excited to add this to all the plants in the garden. Comfrey tea has been such a hot topic in the gardening world recently, but I found out that people have been using it for many, many years. It's just become widely known about more recently, and I think that's exciting when we find out some of these old ways of doing things that are really natural and safe and beneficial. So I've got my comfrey leaves in the bottom of the bucket up to the gallon line. Let's go add some water. So I'm going to add a rock to the top to hold those leaves in the water. And put the lid on, and we're going to let it steep for probably 3 to 6 weeks, but maybe we'll check it around 4 or 5. After the comfrey tea has steeped for 3 to 6 weeks, we're going to strain out the leaves, and what we have left is actually a concentrate, and it needs to be diluted before you add it to your garden. So you're actually going to add 10 parts water to 1 part of your comfrey tea that came out of this bucket, and then you can add it to your garden at the base of the plants. Now do not confuse this. This is not tea that you can drink. It's not something that you should ingest. So this is for the garden. Now I'm going to warn you, this is going to be stinky. So you're going to want to set it aside somewhere, a way that you aren't going to smell it, your neighbors aren't going to smell it, because if you open the lid, it is going to smell bad. That's okay, you just got to set it aside somewhere and forget about it for a couple weeks. Making comfrey tea is really an easy process, so grow comfrey somewhere in your garden that you can use it year after year as a safe and natural way to add nutrients to your garden. It's a really easy process with just adding water, letting the comfrey tea steep, and then diluting it and adding it back to your plants. This is one of the most sustainable ways that you can add nutrients to your plants without using any harsh chemicals. Let us know if you've made comfrey tea before for your garden, and if you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to follow along and subscribe for more gardening tips. We did it, Leo! Oh, fine, I'll pet you. Oh, fine, I will.